What's up? It's a good day to get your hands dirty and your knuckles bloody. Been putting this project off for 3 months now. It's time to get to it. I gotta pick all that up. That was stupid. So, body mounts. This is the original 150,000 miles. The front body mount. This is junk. I'm very disappointed in you, Ford. This is terrible. This is the new DayStar. This is not a sponsored video, but what's up, DayStar? Day Moon. Anyways, new one, old one. Let's get it started. Well, that kid's having a good time. So the instructions say, remove all the bolts on the passenger side, loosen the bolts on the driver's side. For me, I'm going to do the opposite. So let's finish this up. We got one side of the bolts out. This is the front. These are just destroyed. It's going to focus for me. Maybe. No, right here, stupid. There we go. No, right here, stupid. Better. Yeah. These are just trash. These are junk. This is the front. The middle's a little bit better shape. Not too bad. Still pretty good there. And then the rear is the worst. It's just a donut. It's completely hollowed out. Hello there, friend. So, one side took me about an hour to get off. 45 minutes an hour. So let's get that other side loosened up so we can start installing the new mounts. Driver side bolts are out. Passenger side is loose. Went ahead and just took the bushing out of the passenger side. This is the front of the passenger side. This is terrible. It's a little crispy from the torch, but this is that's all that's left. Again, the middle for some reason is in pretty good condition except for a little crispiness. And the rear, again. Now that we got the body off the bushing, gives enough space to pick up on it and take it out. I'm not going to show you how I jack the body off of the frame because it's not the safest way, so I don't want to give anybody any ideas and be responsible for that, because I sure would feel crappy if somebody got hurt. So use your best judgment. So let's install the new bushings. Now that you got your bushing out, you might have to pry this old one off. You might be able to twist it. You might not be able to. Get a screwdriver in there, pop it out. Okay. Take the new bushing, slide it in there. And some of the reviews that I saw were complaining about the size not being right. As you can see, there's a little bit, probably about an 1/8 inch, probably about a 1/4 inch actually, gap all the way around it. But I think that should be fine. It's not a problem. So this is the top one. It goes from the body to the frame, and then this comes underneath it. This one. Then you screw it in there. So that's the assembly. That's how it should look like. Now that we got all our bushings installed and done and put in and got them hand tight, time to start tightening them down. So the directions say go in an alternating pattern and torque them down to 45 to 55 foot-pounds. So let's do that. Maiden voyage. I sure hope. It's good. I think in total it took me about 10 hours. That's with me farting around. But I think if you're getting after it, you probably smash it out in about 5 hours, 5 or 6 hours, in about a day. No problem. So to summarize, this is the old one. This is the new one. It's good. I think about 500 miles I'll retorque it, retighten it, and everything should settle, adjust, and we should be good. So as usual, you like it, dislike it, dislike it, but be sure to subscribe it. And I'll see you when I see you.